No, because I'm rebuilding my credit. Like
Even when you work with me,
where...
and here's the thing, I just like this analogy, right? It's like putting a puzzle together. I always say it's like when you putting a puzzle together, right? If you never put a puzzle together before and you trying to do it by yourself, it's gonna take you much longer. But if you get with somebody that's experienced it, they've been doing it I've been doing credit for 14 years, right? I could look at your credit and tell you what you need to do. And your credit shoot up. Or we could talk about trade lines. If your people have, amazing credit, you can always do the authorized user route, right?